Okay, so if you receive your control panel details, though this one was the one that sent it with my email, but this is how you still see it. You see the control panel link. So if you see this link now, it has the name of the website, cleansingfinance.inc.com. So the domain is .com. The name of the website is cleansing finance inc. You get. So if you see this link, cleansingfinance.inc.com/cPanel, you already know this is a control panel link because it has /cPanel. You get. So I told you the cPanel has a username and password that you use to log in the cPanel. So I'll copy the username now. So I'll click on the link. For it to open. It's loading. Okay, it's loading now. It's loading. This is cPanel. As you can see, cPanel is connecting. Okay. So I will enter my username. I'll paste it. I'll go and copy my password. I'll copy it. I'll go there. I'll paste my password. Then I'll click on login. You understand? So this video now, you have seen if you buy your domain and hosting, the next thing is to start doing your website. So now I'll be teaching you guys how to do your company email. Company email is webmail. All those support ads, info ads, contact ads. So now if you enter you can write on your notes how to create that heading, how to create your website's webmail, how to create your webmail email. I think yes, you just write it heading, how to create your webmail email. So number one, log in your cPanel, your Google Chrome, any browser, even if it's not Chrome, just log in your cPanel. So you already know how to log in your cPanel. You have to enter the link, the domain you bought /cPanel, or just go to the cPanel details that were sent to you. You click on the cPanel link, you enter the username and password, so you log in your cPanel. So number one, log in your cPanel. Number two, search for email accounts under email. So let me just scroll through first so you see that it's long. So let me scroll back. So I'll just search for email accounts under email. So this is the email. So let me search for email accounts. See email accounts here. Just write search for email accounts under email and click on it. Write it like that. Then click on it. I'll click on it now. Good. So I've clicked on it now. So now if you want to create your email, you click on create. Okay, good. So if for example now you want to do email, you will see something like support at the website name.domain, something like this. Let me write it for you. Something like support at, let me just say support at losabank.com, at edtechbank, or at edtechbank.com. Okay, let's say, okay, for example, if I create a website for somebody, I would give the person the email of the website. So for example, now this one is support at edtechbank.com because I'm buying .com as the domain. So if I'm buying .online, it's now be support at edtechbank.net. .online. If I'm buying .net, it will now be support at edtechbank.net. You understand? So this is a professional email. That's the webmail. So shall you see this support at? Look at it here now. See the website name the art is already there at cleansingfinance.inc.com. So all we need to do is this username, just write in the username box, in the username box. This is the username box now. So put anything, put the email you want to use, e.g. support. If it's support at you want to use, you just put only support there. Don't put at because at is already here. Support. Maybe if it's info you want to use, you put info. You get. If it's contact you want to use, you put contact. You get. It will not be contact at cleansingfinance.inc.com. You get. If it's, For example, now this is a bank website I created for somebody. Some banks, they used to have names of their workers. Maybe James. Maybe for example, now your account, you want to create account officer as the bank name. That's account. You just write account officer. There should be no space. Account officer. So it's not the account officer at cliftonfinancenc.com. You understand? So anything you want to put, what I'm trying to tell you now is you can put anything you want to put here. It must not be support, it must not be info, it must not be contact. And you can put police at anything you want to put. So you will be the one to write anything you want to put. But if you want to do a normal contact email for contacting people, sometimes some people will tell you, do this email for me, FBI at they'll write the domain for you, the website name and domain for you. So if for example now this is the website you want to do that email for, it's just for you to come and write FBI here, FBI, and maybe this is the domain. It's now be FBI at cliftonfinancenc.com. So for now, just create support. Okay, let me just create. I think I've already created support. Let me just create contacts. So I will enter my domain, okay. Yes, I wrote contacts here. That's as the username. That's what I want to use. You can decide to create info, support. You can create as many as you want. So you can create contacts, create support. So let me just create them one after the other for you to see. So let me create contact first. So now put I used to use one pattern for my password. So I'll just enter my password there. Maybe you can put 119900 as your own. You can be using 1100 as your own, or you can decide to use another thing. But this place is just for password. So anything you want to use as password, don't forget that you are creating this website for a client. It's not your website. So the password should be related to the website. Let me say you can't use your name, do password. Not you get the website. So you understand that kind of thing. So I used to use the website name like this. I used to use the website name and I used to add something to it. So you can decide to add your own unique number to it. So I can still decide to say, okay, let me use 229900 as my password. You get? So I'll copy it. So now I'll scroll down here. See where I'm scrolling down. See it. At that edge. I'll scroll down. Then I'll click on create. This is how to create email, webmail email. People can pay you 150k for this to just create email. Very simple. That's that. So see the email you created. So you were writing before. So sorry, let me go back and create another one. So I'll tell you what to write. So now I told you to write contact. So write the username for your email. So you already know what I mean by write the username. If it's info you want to use, you put info there. If it's contact you want to use, you put contact. If it's support you want to use, you put support. If it's a name you want to use, like James Brown you just put only the names there. Then enter your username and enter your password. So let me create another email now. Let me create account officer. There should be no space. So account officer. So I don't need to put @ because @ is already showing here. You understand? Now be account officer @. So here now I'll come and enter my password. Still the same pattern of password I said. The website name 229900. You can decide to enter your own unique number as your password. This is my own unique number. 229900 is my unique number. So you can decide to form a unique number for yourself and enter it. So you understand? So enter your username, enter your password, and click create. Finish. That's how to create a webmail email. A webmail email is also called a company email. Anyone you want to call it, a webmail email. Yeah. So see the account officer I created just now. That's it. So this video is very simple, and I believe you understand how to create the email. So I want to teach you other things in the email. So for example, now this is the control panel. As the control panel, you have access to do anything in the control panel. So for example, now you want to block this email. Now you don't want to delete it. Let me tell you how you block it. Click on it. Maybe it's only this one you want to block now, only the first one. You click on it. You click on Okay, click on restrict. Okay, no, if you want to block the email now, no, I should click back. If you want to block the email, you click on manage. Look at it. This is the full screen. So this first one, this account officer at Clifton Finance that I want to block now. You click on manage. If you click on manage, you scroll down. Just scroll down. So look at it. Restrictions. Receiving incoming email. Like, you want to block it that if they are sending messages to the email, it will not come. You click on suspend. You want to block, like, sending outgoing emails. You want to block it that anybody using this website will not be able to send emails out. You will not be able to send messages out. You click on suspend. You get. So you want to do it that the owner of this email will not be able to log in the email. You click on suspend. Logging in, you click on suspend. So you click on update email settings. So even if the person has the password, the person will not be able to log in because you have, look at it now, it's now showing restricted. You understand? So that's how to restrict your email, incoming, outgoing, and if you want to restrict them from logging in. Good. If you want to change the password of your email, how will you change the password? You click on manage. You click on manage. If you click on manage, look at new password. So it's just for you to open this eye. See, this place was closed before. So if it's closed, you will not see what you are writing. Sure you get. So you click on this place to open it. This place here. So you open the eye so you can see what you are writing. So now I'll remove everything I did here. Let me remove it first. So you enter the password you want to use. So me, I will enter my password I want to use. So after entering your password, you scroll down. So now I taught you people just now how to block or how to restrict incoming email, outgoing email, and how to block people from logging in. So I will just do it back. Like this one, I'm just showing you people, because normally you will not block somebody's email now. Like, I'm just teaching you how to do it because you are supposed to know how to do it. But normally you are not going to go and start blocking your client's email. No. So after entering my password, okay, it said enter a stronger password. So I will enter, okay, it said this one is a stronger password. So I will take note of my password. Maybe I will even snap it, anyone. So I'll scroll down and click update email settings. Good. So now I've taught you people how to create a email, your website email, how to create your website email one. I've taught you people how to block your email that the owner will not be able to log in, or how to block the email from receiving messages or sending messages to. I've taught you guys how to change the email, your password email. Maybe the person is telling you, I cannot log in my email again. The password is showing incorrect password. So you want to change the password for the person. I already told you how to change it. It's just for you to come to manage. You go to, first of all, how will you get to this place? How will you get to this email site? Don't forget, one, if you want to come to this email site, you have to log in your cPanel. If you log in your cPanel, you search for email accounts. Under email, it will bring you to email account section. That's all. So if you want to change the password for the person, all you need to do is to click on manage. Then you change the password. So now I want to teach you how to delete your email. So maybe you want to delete the email. So maybe you want to delete this one, this first one. But if you want to delete all the emails, it's just for you to click on this place. It will mark this box. It will mark all of them once. But if you don't want to, if you click on that place and it will mark all of them, you will just click on delete here. Click on this delete. But if you don't want to delete all of them, maybe you want to delete this one, just this first one, you just tick on that box. You tick on the box, that is just this one. Then you click on delete. Say delete accounts officer at Clifton Finance Inc. All the data will be deleted permanently. You want to delete, so I'll click yes. So that's how to delete email. So when you watch this video, just create 5 emails for me. Five different emails. Create with info, create with info 1, info 2, support, 3 contacts. Then create with anything that comes to your mind. You can use account officer, account manager, anything that you want to use, just create. You understand? So that's that for email.